Welcome to Foods Illustrated. This is the first in the coronavirus survival series, and today we're making focaccia. Start with some warm water to which you'll add some dried yeast. Then measure out 250 grams of strong bread flour. To that add about 30 grams of coarse semolina and a pinch of salt. To your dry ingredients, add your yeast and water mixture and mix, preferably with a spoon to begin with. I had already started here. Continue to bring the mixture together until it resembles something like dough. A little olive oil will give the dough a silky texture and a rich color. Flour a work surface and tip the dough out. Knead for about 10 minutes in total to stretch those gluten strands. Keep working the dough. If it still insists on sticking, leave it to rest for a few minutes and come back to it like I did here. Cover your dough and let it rise for about 40 minutes, giving that yeast some time to work. In the meantime, prepare your toppings. I'm using fresh rosemary, tomatoes and Kalamata olives, but you can use nearly anything. Pour some olive oil into a baking tray and some more semolina, which will give the focaccia a rustic texture. Now the dough has doubled in size and feels soft and airy. Stretch it out and shape it to fit your baking tray. Press your fingers in and let the dough fill the tray. Drizzle some olive oil before pressing your chosen toppings in. Finally, crush some sea salt flakes over the top. Cover it and let it prove for another 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Your focaccia should now look something like this. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Feed the focaccia with some olive oil and let it rest before slicing and serving warm. Focaccia.